And someone just said that Senthil had not started. This guy put my name, and then he started my topic. So clearly, guys, he's making content using whatever. 3 महीने पहले कहाँ कहाँ छुपा था वो? जब उसको मुझे अगर सपोर्ट करना था, कहाँ था?
No, see, Sonal ji, when he started with Boycott Bollywood only. Then that Senthil guy came. Senthil guy को हमको पहले से पता है, the entire his version like is
Sonal and
those who disrespected him, sorry, उसको टारगेट करना है.
डिसरिस्पेक्ट भी नहीं किया, वो तो उसको डिसरिस्पेक्ट लगता. हमने तो सिर्फ पूछा कि कौन सा इंस्टीट्यूशन, अगर उसको मतलब अगर उसके मन में चोर है तो वही उसको वो डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल लगेगा ना. अगर मुझे किसी ने पूछा है कि मेरे
I would again go to this aspect when you look into the SSR warriors. How many SSR warriors do you know? SSRians, do you know what they are doing and what they are up to? We don't need that thing. We are not into that. अगर लेकिन उसने हमारा ऊपर अलिगेशन लगाया तो उनको हम अलिगेशन फिर से काउंटर अलिगेशन लगाएंगे. That is in a private space.
I didn't understand.
Not in YouTube. No, what I'm saying is, वो डॉक्टरी करा है ना करा है, उसने कुछ ये किया है, उसने कौन उठाया उसको, मुद्दे कौन उठाया उसको?
अरे हमने उठाया क्या? अरुण जी, just like I asked you, Arun ji, where in Bay Area?
Hold, Sonal ji, 1 minute. It was started, उसका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, उसको उठाया वाला पूरा यही बंदा है जो आज उसके चैनल पे बैठ के ये कर रहा है. है कि नहीं? उसके ऊपर पूरा वीडियो बनाया कौन? And we all like stupidly supported him. अब फिर से हमारा ऊपर ही कूद रहा है.
पट्टू कहीं का भाग गया यहाँ से.
My intention is not to defame anyone or disting anyone. But if somebody stands with them, stay strong in that. Don't keep swaying like a, क्या बोलते हैं वो, a plant under a storm. मैं कब जाऊं तो यहाँ कूदूंगा वहां कूदूंगा. Then sorry I'm saying, when it is a fight between a war between a right and a left, तो बीच में खड़ा होंगे ना, they will be killed more.
Yeah, I mean,
the casualties will be more in the middle, who is sitting in the middle, like these kids.
I think somebody else wants to speak. I think Judy asked for it.
Hello? Tanyaji, can I speak?
Yes.
Yeah. I thank you so much. I just have one question because I saw the session last night. Means I saw it later, half of it, and then I saw the recap in the morning. I had this question for Sachin. He said that forgive that Jenna. He says, "Kitne खींचोगे और वो माफी मांग लेगा तो माफी कर दो." I had a question for him. How many people do we forgive who come and abuse Sushant Singh or abuse his family? Do we have to forgive them? And what guarantee is there that after we forgive those type of people, that they won't create the same mistakes again? And is this mistake forgivable? That's the main thing. Because each one is here knowingly that we are fighting with all those people who are putting this false PR stuff that it is a suicide. That's the main thing we are fighting first, that it was not a suicide. It was a cold-blooded murder. And knowing that fact, you go there, a fully matured human being, person. You're not a kid, a 14 or 15-year-old who goes and tells the CBI that, that it is a suicide, close the case. Is this a forgivable act? On my take, it's not. It's not a forgivable because you are doing it with your full knowledge, and tomorrow you will tell us forgive Vibhu Raman too. Is he forgivable for whatever all things he has said? No, he's not. he can bend down on his knees and he can lick the grounds or whatever he can do, but he's not. We have crossed that bridge. This is what I feel, and we cannot forgive these people who are abusing Sushant Singh, abusing his family, abusing his sisters, abusing the every core cause of what this moment is. And I don't know why this Sachin comes and tells such things, or why does he do such things of telling us like, okay, fine, as a human being we can, but we are in this for something for giving that justice to a person who can never ever speak again. Give a justice to that family, give a closure to that family. And we cannot forgive anyone who knowingly goes there and abuses the very core cause of it. That's all I wanted to say. Tanya ji, thank you so much.
I think Yogesh wants to speak. Thank you, Judy.
Yeah, I want to speak. I want to speak that आप लोग सेंथिल डॉक्टर के बारे में बात कर रहे थे ना. सेंथिल डॉक्टर वो एक्चुअली प्लान था उनका आना. वो सेंथिल डॉक्टर कल भी शायद उनके लाइव में आना चाहते थे. कल नहीं, हाँ शायद कल ही या शायद आज ही. तो वो शायद उनके चैट में, मतलब उनके कमेंट बॉक्स में शायद वो लोग बात कर रहे थे कमेंट्स में कि मैं बाहर हूँ तो मैं आपको मैसेज कर दूंगा जब भी घर आऊंगा, लाइव करूंगा तो आप आ जाना. तो ये बात कर रहे थे वो. तो उनका आना प्लान था, वो सडनली नहीं आए थे. एंड दैट्स सेंथिल डॉक्टर वाज सेइंग दैट सोनल को तो मैं अपनी बेटी मानता हूँ एंड लाइक दैट समथिंग मैंने सुना. और वो कुछ बात कर रहे थे कि सचिन जी उनको बोल रहे थे कि सचिन कि आपने सोनल को गाली दी है एंड ऑल. तो वो बोल रहा था कि सेंथिल डॉक्टर बोल रहे थे कि मैं सबको माफ कर सकता हूँ अपने लाइफ में, वेंकी, सोनल एंड एक और किसी बंदे का नाम था, तो शायद वरुण कपूर का नाम लिया था. तो इन तीनों को मैं माफ नहीं कर सकता. तो ये एक्चुअली सेंथिल डॉक्टर बोल रहे थे. तो जो मैं सुना, और जो बोल रहे थे कि आप सडनली आए थे, वो सेंथिल डॉक्टर सडनली नहीं आए थे. वो एक्चुअली उसके लाइव में आना चाहते थे सचिन जी के.
सो योगेश जी, मैं आपको बताती हूँ, ये सचिन का प्लान था. आप बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हो. वो आने वाले थे क्योंकि सचिन को मेरे नाम पे शो करना था. कंटेंट मिलता है ना उसके चैनल पे, उसको मेरे नाम से शो करना था. मैंने मना कर दिया, तो फिर वो हुआ नहीं. कल फिर आज आया. तो आज क्योंकि इस वाले सब सारे देखने जाएंगे, मेरे सपोर्टर्स भी जाएंगे, वरुण के सपोर्टर्स भी जाएंगे, वेंकी के सपोर्टर्स भी जाएंगे, तो उसको ना कंटेंट मिला. और वो जो बेटी बोल रहा है ना, गधा सेंथिल, गधा, गधेड़ा, लाइक वरुण वर्ड, गधेड़ो सेंथिल. मैंने उसको एक बार पूछा था आपको कहाँ से डॉक्टरेट क्या वो मिला है. उसके पास डॉक्टरेट था नहीं, तो उसको मतलब वो इंसल्टिंग लग गया. डॉक्टर तो यूज करता है, वो डॉक्टर तो है नहीं, मतलब वो डॉक्टरेट भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. सो मैंने कुछ कहा नहीं. और फिर बोल रहा मेरी बेटी, इसकी बेटी तो मतलब मैं 1000 जन्म में भी इसकी बेटी बनूंगी मैं, इस गधे की. सो ये सारा प्लान था. ये योगेश जी पता है, पर ये प्लान था. सचिन ने बहुत बुरा गेम खेला है ये मेरे साथ कि मेरे नाम पे लाइव कर रहा है. अगर उसको सेंथिल के पास माफी मंगवानी थी तो 3 महीने से कहाँ बैठा था वो, है ना. सो ये वाला तो भाग गया ना. उसको पता था अब बात करनी थी, उसके सामने ही करनी थी एक्चुअली. अभी भी मैंने कितना बुलाया उसको, ये वाला सचिन.
I have a question on everybody. Can we all resolve these issues somehow?
Okay, and another thing I want to say, Tanya, addressing what you are asking, okay? When the synth hall was there on Sachin's channel and they carried out this whole content, no one came there. To resolve to baat chodo, we are not even standing for each other over here. But we have such a huge group, or we have such a huge group of people who are true SSRians. But जब किसी के साथ गलत होता है तो कहाँ छुप जाते हैं सारे. रिजॉल्व करना है तो मतलब सपोर्ट.
प्रियंका शर्मा के अंदर.
अरे वो मेरी तो थोड़ी ना दोस्त है.
नहीं सोनल, वो बात नहीं है. देखो, जिनका आपस में है 1-to-1 वो कर लेना, तो that will be better.
ये कहाँ 1-to-1 था? ये पब्लिक वीडियो था तानिया. You didn't know that?
No, I just started it when I told you all that Central is there. I had to go out. So I was.
So it wasn't 1-on-1. 1-on-1 तो अलग बात है. ये तो
No. I'm talking about at the moment. Let's forget what has happened now, present.
No, why forget? Because a lot of us get abused. A lot of us get like this thing.
That's what I'm saying. Let's try to end it. If you and Senthil can talk 1-to-1, that's what I'm saying.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Tanya? I am not that person.
Sorry.
No.
It's somebody can be in the middle, be a neutral person.
I don't have anything to do with that. You can't pay me $1 million to talk to that guy.
Just vent it out so that he doesn't say anything to you and you don't, and just finish that, close the chapter.
I don't think that's how this war is going to be fought, Tanya. I think this is war. We are in war. It could be a cold war, it could be an active war, it could be whatever, but this is not how. हम किसी से दब के नहीं जाएंगे actually. So I think these are the losers. These are on the wrong side. We are fighting for justice for Sushant. We need to fight for ourselves too, right? अरे घंटों का कंटेंट बनाते हैं अरुण जी, आपने देखा ना? See, will we take? Okay, Tanya, will you tell Varun that go talk to VA? Sorry guys, I don't agree with this. एक तो कोई आता नहीं. It's okay, I'm alone is fine. Whoever came, I'm really grateful for them. But ये इसी तरह से ना वो group, वो जो bad side है ना, even in Riya and Sushant's case, the bad side people are very united. I mean, even in like Sushant's, like people known to them, the bad side are really united. The good side is really scattered. And even in this case, in our personal zone, the bad side is really united. You see one after the other getting added. And in our case, we don't even come for each other's support. I mean, I'm sorry to say that it's very, very what do you call double standards. It's very hypocritical. So yeah, the day when you tell Varun that go talk to VA is the day you guys tell me that go talk to Senthil. It's impossible. You cannot pay me $1 million to go talk to that guy. I did not initiate it. He's the one who's every day making content. He's Ars Media, him, every day making content. Today.
Yeah, I just wanted to say, I understand, Tanya ji, what you mean, but here, this guy Center is not a person where someone goes there and, does that mandavli or whatever that word, that guy does not have a class. He does not know what he's speaking. What he speaks is just shit, first of all. And I know Sonal will not go and talk to him, but I will personally tell Sonal not to go and do that. That's the thing. He does not even the thought of going is insulting. That's the thing. A person standing with those views, those thoughts, you cannot collaborate with such a person. You cannot even make sense with that person. So forget about going over and trying to making sense with it. That's all I wanted to say. But I understand also you, Tanya ji, what you meant for the peace and all that stuff. But there are sometimes you cannot make peace with people who are insane. That's the thing. Or who want to remain insane. That's all I want to say. Thank you. Thank you.
I never said that she should go and collaborate with him. Just give him the last call to shut up, and he doesn't talk about her, and she doesn't talk about it. That's all. It's just that closure. That's what I said. No more of anything. That's what I meant. But anyways, who am I to say that? But I just said because what I felt.
He does not need to. He keeps asking, oh, why you come with a, no face and all that. He does not deserve to see me, okay? And why doesn't he ask that to Grace? So instead of, what a creep he is. He wants to see everyone's face on the camera. You get a kick in the butt, not my face.
He's actually a predator. He behaves like a predator,
Yeah.